Welcome back to our channel How to Guide. In this video, I'm going to be teaching you guys on how you can fix iPhone calls going straight to voicemail. So guys, if you've noticed that all of your iPhone calls have been going straight to voicemail instead of ringing and you don't know what to do to fix them, then this video is for you. Guys, let's get right into it. So in order to fix it, you just need to first of all just do routine checks. So just go ahead and wait until center by swiping downwards like this, and once you're there, make sure you check you're not in any focus mode. As you can see, I'm on the reading mode, so make sure you're not there. And also, you just need to go ahead and open your settings and make sure you're not on any do not disturb modes or if your ringtones are off. And guys, if you still can't see progress and you're still getting iPhone calls going straight to voicemail, then you just need to go ahead and restart your device, and that should do the trick. And if it still doesn't do that, you may need to hard reset your whole iPhone device to its factory settings. That normally does the trick. And guys, there you go. That's how you fix iPhone calls going straight to voicemail. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you found this video helpful, please leave us a like and drop us a comment down below. And if you want more helpful videos like these, then please subscribe to our channel. We'll see you again next time. Thank you for watching.